I'm recording my session. So everyone can see my screen. Everyone can see. So this is drafting commands from 1 to 60 commands we have here. These 60 commands we are going to learn here. And previous session, Friday session, we have completed 1 to. Can you please mute someone, Abhishek? Yes, thank you. So previous session 1 to 9 commands we have discussed it. So this 1 to 9 commands, whenever you are starting new AutoCAD, that time you have to input these 9 commands because you are creating new AutoCAD file. That time you have to create your drawing units, drawing limit, access panel. So whatever mentioned 1 to 9 commands. So that session again I'll take you for you people for brief explanation. So this is my AutoCAD. Again I'm starting new AutoCAD. If you want to start new again AutoCAD, see here you have start button. Just click on here and main task will open, and go here, click start drawing. So once if you click on start drawing, it will open. Before doing anything, you need to save this file on anywhere. So to save this file, what I have to do, just press Ctrl S. How you are saving your file, Excel, MS Office, MS Word, whatever the thing, just you have to press Ctrl S for this save. Just I am pressing a Ctrl S here. So it's asking some folders and all. These I am going to save on desktop. Just I'm clicking on desktop. I'm giving here name, whatever the name. So demo session video. So I have given my name, then enter. So this file has been saved in my desktop. So whenever you are working, you need to press Ctrl S, Ctrl S, Ctrl S. For every 5 to 10 minutes, you give please Ctrl S, because whenever you are working with your AutoCAD, maybe some system hang or power fluctuation or some other thing. If your system got shut down, if you are not saved anything, you are going to lose entire thing. Because of that, while you are working, just give Ctrl S for save the AutoCAD file. And now if you see here demo session, it's changed my name also. Previously that is start drawing, now it's gone demo session. And now, so here I have, first I'm having drawing units. So these and all names, left side whatever we have, these and all names, and right side we have shortcut, whatever we have to input the shortcuts. And in AutoCAD we have mouse we have right click and left click. So right click we are using for selecting the objects, whatever the things, right click we are using to select the object. And scroll button we are using for zoom in, zoom out. To make zoom and make zoom out, we are using scroll button. Right click, few rare cases only we are using. And this plus symbol will call cursor. This plus symbol will call cursor. So this totally AutoCAD file, this is totally AutoCAD file. On top one we are having AutoCAD tools. Top one we are having AutoCAD tools. We can select this tool from here, or we can give command, or we can give command. So first one we have drawing units. So drawing units means we have to create our units. For that one, just what I have to give, UN. If you type UN, that UN you have to type in this space. This unit you have to space type here. So if you can see here properly, if you observe, this is my cursor. I am giving UN If I click UN, automatically my first option here, if you see here, U units, it's automatically it's taking UN, enter. One dialog box will open. Here you have to check length type. Just click on here. You have architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, scientific. So here architectural we are using for feeds. Whenever you are working for feeds, you are going to use this one. So decimal, we are going to work for millimeters and meters. Engineering, feet and inches. So this three only we are using. Here I am going to select for decimal because we are going to work for millimeters. Just I am clicking on millimeters. Then second one, precision will be 0. It means what is 0 0.0, 0 0.00 means after your dimension, after your numeric value, you are not going to get any point values. If it is 100, 100. If it is 127, 127. You are not going to get 100.0 and 127.57 like these things and all. So here what you have to select 0. Then you need to scale millimeters. So here you will get inches, feet, miles, millimeter, centimeter. Here we are going to select millimeters. Then OK. So here what I have done, UN enter, decimal I have took, precision will be 0, unit to scale will be millimeters. These are my first command. Then second one I have drawing limits. So what is meaning drawing units means this AutoCAD file is a endless empty file. This AutoCAD is a endless empty file. So here we have to create our boundary. What we have to do? Here we have to create our boundary. In that boundary we are going to work. Understood? So this is a endless empty file. Here we are going to work and here we are going to make our limits, boundary. With that boundary we are going to work. First what we have to do, limit short form will be li. Here I am going to give li. Just opening my AutoCAD, lim. If I click lim, automatically it's taking limits. Then enter. What is asking? Specify lower left corner. So lower left corner means this one where my cursor was there. So here we have to give two axes. One is x, one is y. Here I am giving 0, comma 0. Enter. It means I am starting my file from 0 to 0. I am starting my file 0 to 0 and specify upper right corner. So specify upper right corner means this side. How much I need boundary. Let's say that if you are taking your paper, we are having papers will be A4, A3, A2, A0. So like that papers we have. That papers means that sizes of the paper. Here also we are going to create our size. So usually we don't know how much layout size will be. We don't know how much big size ours. So for that we have to give limits. Here usually we are going to take in lakhs. So I'm going to take here 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs, comma, again 3 lakhs. So 3 lakh, comma 3 lakhs. Enter. See if you see here, left corner 0, comma 0, right corner 3 lakhs. Right? That is my limits. And why we are giving limits? So if I am zooming out here, if you can see here, you can see x and y axis will be green and red. So green and red will be starting from 0 to 0. X-axis from starting from 0, Y-axis starting from 0. After whatever I have mentioned 3 lakhs, how we are started here. So same way it's going to end this side. And this is my limits. And third one will be access panel. So access panel short form will be UCSION/N. So this one I call access panel, X and Y axis. This I can move from here to here, here to here, wherever, wherever I want. That one I can move. Clear? This one I can move one place to another place. Whenever we are working, this one should be corner, because we are taking this one reference and we are going to work. If we are working, it's disturbing in between the file, so it will irritate us. For that reason, what I am doing now, I am moving to corner. For that one, what I have to press, UCSI. If I press UCSI, automatically selecting default, enter, N, enter. If you press N, you will get no reason. Here you can see option no reason. So type N, enter. See, if you type N, enter, this access from here to here it's moved automatically, right? And then now have drawing center. So drawing center Z/A/. So drawing center means this file we have created from 0 to 3 lakhs, right? X axis will be 0, Y axis will be 0, and endpoint 3 lakh comma 3 lakh. So in this 3 lakh boundary where we are working, we don't know particularly, because this is an empty file and endless empty file. So that time whenever we are working, we don't know where we saved that file in this AutoCAD. That time what you have to press, just Z, enter, A, enter, and it will defaultly it will move where you are working. It will show that things and all. Now you can't see the things and all. While you are working, you can see, you can observe. That is about my access, sorry, drawing center. Then we are coming for access. So access short form will be F8. F8 means, don't think that in your numerics you are having 1 2 3 8 and the alphabets A B C D F, not that one. So in your keypad, first row you will get escape, F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6. That function keys you are having from F1 to F12. There F8 we are going to use. If I press F8, so that different I'll show you. Let's say that if I'm want to make a line here, if you see this line, it's maintaining some degree, some angle. It's not going straight manner, right? It's not going straight manner. But whenever we are working, we have to work with straight lines. We have to work with straight lines. So to avoid these things and all, we have to press F7. If I press F7, automatically it will move. So F8. If I press F8, see, my line became straight now. So this is 0 degree angle. Here you can see that dimensions with angle. Here you can see that 6192. If you increase, it will increase. If you decrease, it will decrease, and it's showing 0 degree. And this is 90 degree. This is 180. This is 270, and this is 360. Nothing but 0. If you want to maintain any angle, press F8. Now see, it's maintaining angle default. Again F8, it will come straight, right? So this is about our axis. Then grid on off. So grid on off, if you see in your AutoCAD, here we are having some square boxes. So few people will comfort with having this grid. Some people they are having to work without grid. That's as per your wish. If you want to off, you have to press F7. Grid will off. If you want to work with grid F7, that's your wish. You can work with grid or without grid, right? You can work with grid or without grid. Just press F7. Clear, guys? And now text style. So text style means here you are going to create your text height and how your font will be look. But the short form will be ST. Just I'm going to do ST. If I press ST, S style it will come and enter. Again, one dialog box will open. Here font name. Here you can see number of font name. If you want to select this one, you see here you can see. And if you want to select this one, it will size. If you want to do this one, it will go. And if you want to go select this one, whatever the thing. So this is the thing. Whatever you want to work, you can select. And then here height. This height you have to increase. Maybe your height you can take 50 or 80 or 100, 130, 122. So that's depending upon your layout size. Let's say that your layout size will be small. You are given your text height will be big. Compared to your layout, your text will look visible more. So as per your layout size, you have to give. So here I am going to take 100. And remember, whatever I am giving you sizes here, everything will be millimeters. Because previously we have to decimal, in that one millimeter we have selected. Here I am taking 100. Then height you are changed, apply, set current, close. So that is your text style. So this text style you can see here. Let's say that if you want to give any text, just I may want to give T enter text, click and pull. So here we can write whatever HVAC batch and enter, and you can write anything 9 p.m. enter, 1 hour enter. If you given anything here, after that you have to click on your AutoCAD. See, HVAC batch 9 p.m. 1 hour class. If you want to modify, just go here, double click, make it double click, 1 hour class. If you want to delete this one, go here, backspace button and click here. Okay. And now dimension style. Dimension style.
So for writing the test, what command you are given? So n text or see HVAC batch you are written.
Yes.
So what command you are given?
T, just T enter. So that is for your reference only I given. So we have different text styles. So that I'll show you in further classes. Got it?
Got it, but I'm just trying to type something inside, but it's not coming. That's all.
Which command you are using?
M text.
M text. So you give T enter.
T enter.
T enter. If you give T enter, click and pull, you will get.
Okay.
And whatever you want to write, doubts, then click. So this text, how we are going to implement that, further classes will check. Here what I am doing is the text height. So if you want to increase again text height, ST enter, and height maybe I'm going to give 150. Apply, set current, close. Now if you see T enter text, same I'm writing HVAC batch 1 hour class. If you see this text height is very is there that sizes of the text height. So here you can increase your text height and you can decrease your text height, right guys? And now dimension style D. Just I'm going here, D enter. If you type D enter, one dialog box will come. Here you have to go modify, then line lines. This is further class we are going to learn symbols and arrows. Here if you see arrowheads, first one will be, if you click here, different type of arrowheads you have. So closed fill, closed blank, closed dot, whatever the thing. So here whatever you want you can select this one. As a default this one I'm selecting. Leader line means when you are creating single arrow mark, that time you are going to select this one. Clicking here whatever you want, you can take this one open size, closed size, whatever the thing. So I'm taking this one open. Arrow size, here you have to increase this also. This I'm giving 80. Then text previously we have given 150, so as default it will take 150. Then primary units, so units we have taken decimal, okay. Precision again you take 0. So whatever changed, symbols and arrows we changed and we given text, sorry, arrow size. And text default it's came. Primary units again you have to change here, then okay, second, close. So le enter leader line. So if you want to make anything, leader line. So you see here, this I have made leader line. If you want to change again, d enter, d enter again, modify, go symbols and arrows. So this one I am going to change as a closed blank. See if I'll show you. Okay, see this one like this previously, set current, close. Now see automatically it changed. So whenever your requirement is there, you can change, right guys? And we have dimension. So to check any object, either it is line, either circle, whatever the thing, any object, if you want to measure how much dimensions are there, that time we are going to use DLI command. So for DLI, let's say that here maybe I have one line and higher I am having here one rectangular. I need to know, I want to find out this line and rectangle sizes. DLI enter. So for your reference I'm selecting my, changing my color, and 2 points you have to select. First one this one and second one here. So how much my size will be? 205. Same here also. DLI enter, from this point to this point. This is I am having 267. If you want to change these arrows, again D enter, dimension, modify, arrow summon symbol, this one. So here I am going to take like this one. Okay, set current. Now see here it will change, close. It's got changed my arrows. Like this we have to change. And now, so this 1 to 9 command previous session also we have discussed it, and for few people again I have discussed this 1 to 9 commands. In this 1 to 9 commands, anyone having any doubt? Is anyone having any doubt? Please ask me. Again I am telling you guys, please focus more and more on your drafting commands. If you became expert in your commands, you can work, you can play around. And here one more thing I'm telling you, here we have 60 commands, right? In our regular classes, regular work, regular project, we are not going to use this entire 60 commands. We are going to use below 20 commands only regularly, like line enter, line, rectangular, circle, dimension, text style, text height. So that few things only, color, layers, that few things only we are going to work below 20 commands only. But you need to know that 60 commands. I don't think that AutoCAD we are having only 60 commands. No, it's having more than 300 commands. Depending upon usage, we are going to select few commands. Clear everyone? Is anyone having doubt? Anyone? Is anyone having doubt? Please ask me. Okay, guys. So I think everyone understood. So this link I'm going to end here, and I'm going to send new link. Please join immediately. So remaining people after this session, few people having next class also. So they can't wait. You people, please join immediately. I'm closing this link and I'm going to send new link.